Do you actually have enough money to leave America yet? Most people are afraid to answer that question, but let's find out together. Before you pick a country, before you research visas, before you look at one single apartment listing, you need your answer to one question. Do you actually have enough money to leave America? And I don't mean, do you have $1 million saved? I mean, what's coming into your bank account every single month right now? Because that number, that one number, determines everything else. I'm Quinn, and this is the Everyday Expat. And this is episode 1 of the Everyday Expat Roadmap, your complete step-by-step guide to leaving America on a real budget as a woman over 50. Let's figure out your number. Here's why we start here and not with countries or visas. Every country that offers long-term residency to Americans has a minimum monthly requirement. So not a savings requirement, not a net worth requirement, but a monthly income requirement, meaning what comes in every month consistently, like clockwork. Because Ecuador needs $482 a month, Panama needs $1,000 a month, and Portugal needs approximately $1,085 per month. So before you fall in love with a country, you need to know your number, because your number tells you which doors are open for you right now and which ones you need to build your way towards. Both are valid, but you need to know which one you're in before you do anything else. Income audit. Grab a piece of paper or open your notes app on your phone. I'm going to be using my notes app. We're doing a quick income audit right now together. So grab that piece of paper, open your notes app, let's do it. I want you to write down every single source of income that would follow you abroad. And I mean follow you, as in income that comes in whether you're sitting in California or if you're in a cafe in Lisbon. Here's what to look for. Number 1 is pension. So if you have a pension from a government job, a union job, a corporate job, write down that monthly amount. This is considered gold standard visa income. Every passive income in the world loves a pension. It's consistent, it's guaranteed, it's exactly what they want to see. Okay, number 2, Social Security. If you're receiving Social Security, or if you know what that projected income will be, write that number down. Social Security qualifies for passive income in most visa programs. Number 3 is retirement accounts. Are you drawing from a 401k or an IRA? If so, write down your monthly withdrawal amount. So I'm not talking about the total balance. I'm actually talking about the monthly amount you actually receive. So number 4 is rental income. If you own property and you plan to rent it out when you leave, write down what that monthly rental income would be, because this rental income absolutely counts. Number 5 is dividends. If you have investments that pay quarterly or monthly dividends, calculate the monthly average and then write that down. Number 6 is remote work income. If you currently work remotely for a company outside the United States or run your own online business, write down your average monthly income. Now add all of that up, and that total is your number. So let me show you my income. So my expat income, this is my audit that I did for myself. So I do have a pension, and that pension amount is $1,300. And since I'm 55, when I turn 62, I will collect my Social Security also. I'm not waiting until I'm 70 or however, I'll just collect it in 7 years when I turn 62. So that amount is, what is that? $1,137. So that's what I have. So right now, if I wanted to leave right now, this moment, my income that I have coming in without fail is that $1,300. Okay, you have your number. Now let me tell you what that means. If your number is $482 or more, Ecuador's Jubilado visa may already be available to you. Now, that is the lowest income threshold for any visa program in the world. That is the lowest income threshold for legal residency anywhere in the world. Just $482 a month. Can't beat that. If your number is $1,000 or more, Panama's Pensionado visa opens up to you. Bonus, they use USD currency. They have amazing real benefits to offer, like 25% off flights and 50% off hotels. That's pretty good. Panama is really wanting you to relocate there. If your number is around $1,085 or more, Portugal's D7 passive income visa becomes realistic for you. Portugal was my target before my daughter said France. Portugal is a European Union country. Portugal's D7 visa is a path to citizenship. A bonus, you will get Schengen access. Now, if your number is $2,000 or more, Greece's financially independent person's visa opens up to you. You would be in the Mediterranean, living a Mediterranean lifestyle. It's a real option. Now let's talk about it. What if your number is not there yet? What if it's not even $482 yet? First, don't panic. Second, don't give up. Third, keep watching. Because part of this 12-part series is about building your number up. Starting right now from wherever you are, that's what I'm doing. If your passive income isn't where it needs to be yet, here are real things you could start right now that could change that number within 12 to 24 months. So option 1 is dividend investing. Open a brokerage account. Currently, Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard are free with no minimums. That's currently. You can start putting away $25 to $50 a month into a dividend EFT, like SCHD or VYM. It won't generate life-changing income overnight, but it creates a paper trail of investment income that visa applications respond well to, and it compounds over time. I'm starting this September. Option number 2, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Write a short ebook on something you already know. Maybe like your career, your expertise, your experience as a woman over 50. Upload it to Amazon KDP, and every sale that you make generates royalty income. Royalties are explicitly listed as passive income, qualifying for most visa programs, including Portugal's D7 passive income visa. I actually do have a book that I'm working on finishing and will publish soon. Option 3 is digital downloads. Create a simple PDF guide resource on something you know well. And once you have that download created, you can sell it on something like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Even $100 a month in digital product income starts to add up, and it creates documented passive income. Option 4 is, you guessed it, a YouTube channel. Listen, I know, but hear me out. If I can start a YouTube channel at 55, so can you. And listen, if you go through YouTube and you search, there are people that have started YouTube channels here at 60, 70, even 80, and those channels are gaining momentum and actually becoming monetized very quickly. YouTube AdSense revenue qualifies as documented income. Yes, it absolutely does take time to build your channel, but the channel you start today could be earning real income by the time you decide to start your application. Look at me, I got out of my own way and I started my channel. Every video is a step forward. Option 5, rent out a room or your home. If you own your home or have extra space, renting it on a longer term basis before you leave creates rental income that counts towards your visa application. Now, of course, none of these are overnight solutions, but all of them are real, they're easy to start, and it's something that you could do. All of these are things women in this community can start right now, today, on a regular budget. Before I bring it to a close, I have to say one thing. When you apply for a residency visa, they don't just want to know your monthly income. They want to see 12 months of bank statements. They want to see this because they want to see that you have income that is arriving consistently. You have to prove it through your bank statements. So not once, but a 12-month pattern. So the time to start building and documenting your income is now, not 6 months before you apply. So let's do it. Let's get started right now, today. Every month of consistent income you start documenting today is 1 month closer to a visa application that gets you approved. So let's start the clock now. So here's your homework from episode 1. Write down your monthly income number. Make sure you have every income source that would follow you abroad and add it up. Then I want you to go to the link in my bio. That link is tinyurl.com/expatcountryfinder. Okay, but the link is in the bio. Drop your email and grab the free Country Finder prompt. Fill in your income number that we worked on earlier, fill in your situation, and let AI match you to the countries that are realistic for you right now in your current situation. That's your starting point. Next week, we have episode 2 in this series. We're going to be talking about what income actually counts toward a visa and which actually doesn't, because not everything on your list qualifies. And knowing the difference could change your entire strategy. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop your income number in the comments. I don't need the exact amount if you don't want to share that, but tell me which category you're in. Are you under 500? Are you $500 to $1,000? Are you $1,000 to $2,000? Or maybe you're over $2,000? Let me know in the comments. I want to know where this community is so I can make sure that this series meets you exactly where you are. We're 50 plus, we're on a budget, and we're leaving anyway. Let's go.